person for the BJP, and Mr. Raghunathan, convener for the Consortium of Indian Associations and former national president of AIMO. But first up, okay, let me bring in Mr. Raghunathan on that point as well. Mr. Raghunathan, give us a sense of where you see things going from here on, and is it going to be a long-term recovery? Should we still brace ourselves for more business shutdowns, for more job losses before things can start getting better?
Thank you, Tanvi. It's a real cause of concern. Let's understand that the business is like a chain, and every link is very important, whether it is sales, whether it is employees, whether it is material, profitability, everything. And the strength of the chain lies in the weakest link. Today, it seems that every link is weak. Entrepreneurs are fighting a shadow boxing. A shadow boxing, we don't know who is our target. The goalposts are changing. Reference points are changing. From a 5-day cricket match, we came down to 1 day, then 50 overs, then 20 overs. And today, we need to score something like in 7 balls, 40 runs. Under tremendous pressure, we see survival as a most necessity for us now. Oxygens are needed. We understand we have to help ourselves to survive. We need to stay focused. Some industries, some segments are likely to revive, but according to us, the worst is yet to come. When I say this in terms of economy, let me explain to you why. We did not have any manufacturing at the last 10 days of the March, entire April and entire May. If that be the case, wherever the industries have opened up at least, excepting the metros in this country from June onwards, the June business must have been assuming a lakh GST revenue a month. For about 2.5 months, we should have done about 2.5 lakhs crores. But since majority of the main industries were non-functional, we did only about 80,000 crore, which is not very encouraging. We are executing the orders what we had in the month of March. 30% of the orders have already been cancelled because of we are not able to give commitment of delivery. Materials problem, manpower problem, money problem, all what we are now accessible is to loans. We are worried. Have you heard that we are fearing that 50% of the MSMEs will go bankrupt by December? We are concerned. And the NPA may touch about 30 to 35% by December. We are worried. In every aspect, we are concerned and worried. But as an entrepreneur, we have no choice to keep a bright face, a smiling face, optimistic face. But that alone doesn't help us. Somewhere we need to bite the bullet. Those who are not able to continue must be given an honorable exit. Those who can prosper but are not able to prosper must be given a hand to come up. Those who are continuing to do well must look at a different opportunity. It's not an easy task. It's a tough task. It's not just like reviving. Some people experts are saying 2021 must be written off. What do you mean? 1 year written off is not that easy for a micro industry. Today, under the new reclassification, 90% of the industries in this country belong to micro industries. If even 3 months of non-productivity, we are finished. We are not able to breathe. Cash flows are not lasting. Monies are not coming forward from the companies where we have supplied. No further orders are seen. We are worried about August month now itself. How can we function? We are also human beings. And COVID is also shooting up. Every day we are catching up with the highest number. We don't know whether it is...
Mr. Raghunathan,
yes,
if I can ask you this question, an entire relief package has been announced by the government. A lot of this is obviously to do with monetary support, with loan borrowing support, including a guarantee from the government itself. Is that not helping? To what extent are we seeing that at least give some support to the industry?
Tanvi, let us understand. The schemes what has been announced at the moment, according to the government itself, will only help about 47 lakhs MSMEs out of a total of about 6 crore MSMEs. Now, even in that 45 lakhs or 47 lakhs of MSMEs, on the 50th day as we are talking now, we have crossed only about 17% of that 47 lakhs crores, 47 lakhs MSMEs having got the money in hand. Now, keep giving loan alone. It cannot be a solution. Please understand, what do I do with just the money alone? What I need the money is to do profitable venture so that I repay. How do I make profit out of the money? Today I borrowed money. Let there be a 9% interest or 9.5% interest, doesn't matter, but I borrow the money and I spend on my expenditure. How do I repay it? So my concern is already the loans are not being able to be repaid. I am worried. We must understand. So there are a lot of other category, almost about 95% of the MSMEs are still looking for the relief. We are awaiting. In the existing loan scheme of 3 lakhs crore, there has been certain pointers which we have highlighted, which needs to be relaxed. There is a more of a misunderstanding by the stakeholders concerned rather than the understanding of the scheme. Each NBFC is talking in a different wavelength. Even today, we are receiving complaints. Some NBFCs are saying those who availed moratoriums in the last 3 months will not be eligible for the credit guarantee loans. The very word is called credit guarantee loans, but nobody is enjoying that. All of us have pledged our mortgaged loans by additional MODT. And what is then credit guarantee? So we are having an issue there. But doesn't
All
matter.
right. While we do know that, various research reports. Right. No, I agree with you. And of course, if the demand is not there, what is the point of manufacturing all of this? Nobody is going to buy or help you make money out of it. There are many research surveys that have been done about the fact that, yes, there is a lot of demand for the schemes that were announced by the government, but the disbursement has been relatively. Okay, Mr. Raghunathan, you wanted to make a point? Go ahead, please.
See, Tanvi, let's understand the biggest problem for an industry to function. I'm only limiting to micro and small enterprises. The quarter 2 and quarter 3 in any year is been always more payouts than incomes because of the climate, because of the seasonal festival seasons and the payouts. Now, these 2 quarters is going to be very tough. I have been requesting the government on behalf of the CIA that we need the government to pass immediately a direction that all this year's budget of their expenditure must be spent before December, so that some throttling is done in the market. Second is, we have to have 2 kind of solutions. One is a solution which is fiscal. Second is a solution which is tactical. When you talk about fiscal solution, just not giving the loan, but we must have a financial flows being collected from each and every MSME over the next 2 years, and some may have to be funded through capital, and second, some may have to be funded through long-term financial flows. Then the second one is we have to create the certain level playing ground for the micro industries, because under the reclassification of the industries, micro and small has become very crowded now with too many players in it. So some of the advantages which the government gave earlier to the SME, micro and small enterprises is no longer will be reaching the micro enterprises. Then in terms of tactical issues, then what we need to do is some will revive, but whether will they revive with profitability is a concern. So we need to practice 7D model. The 7 Ds are digitalized, disruptive models, deceptively gain market reputation, demonetize by driving out all the avoidable costs, dematerialize by making more out of less, and delocalize by making physical location irrelevant, and demarketize by making prices affordable as scale rises. We have to now compete. Compete with whom? Compete with each other. And not only with each other, but also with the outside the country, with Chinese products. Now that the Chinese ban is coming up, Chinese sentiments are going against, and we need to build. Expectations are very high from Indian manufacturers now to give the product at lower price. But how do we function? We need the cranking. The initial cranking is needed. The initial push is needed, not in terms of just the loan, but in terms of the ordering. And what
Okay.
can do by the government do is
Okay,
this
let
year
me-
budget of yours spend in the next 6 months. Please do that. That will throttle us for a while. It will give us some amount of a happiness to work for us. That is the problem.